The construction ring spanner of the 85 series features a robust design engineered for high performance and durability in demanding construction environments. Characterized by its heavy, deep-cranked pattern, this spanner is ideally suited for tasks requiring significant torque and precision. It is designed for use with Tommy bar tubes, specifically the ELORA-No. 855 model, ensuring a versatile application range. The spanner is manufactured with ELORA-Chrome-Vanadium steel, designated as 31CRV3/1.2208, which is known for its high strength and resistance to wear and tear. This type of steel undergoes a special treatment process to achieve its matte chrome plating, which not only enhances the tool's corrosion resistance but also provides a sleek, professional finish. Moreover, the spanner adheres to the DIN 4775 standard, which dictates the specifications for wrenches and spanners, guaranteeing its compliance with rigorous quality and performance criteria. This adherence reassures professionals in the construction and automotive industries of its reliability and suitability for heavy-duty applications. Overall, the 85 series construction ring spanner is an essential tool that combines advanced material engineering, precise manufacturing standards, and practical design, tailored for both efficiency and longevity in professional settings. It is common for people to confuse ratchet wrenches with construction spanners, but there are distinct differences that are crucial for their respective uses. A key difference is that a construction spanner is designed to be used with a Tommy bar, while a ratchet wrench does not utilize a Tommy bar. In terms of design, the handle of the wrench is designed to taper to a flat end, optimizing it for use in tight spaces where high precision is required. Unlike the handle of the construction ring spanner 85, this handle is not designed to be used with a Tommy bar. Specifically, the ratchet wrench features a slender tail, which is employed not for leverage, but rather for straightening and directing pipes during the installation of scaffolding. In contrast, the construction spanner often requires the extension of its handle with a Tommy bar to increase the length of the lever arm, thereby providing greater torque. This feature is particularly useful in heavy-duty applications where additional force is necessary. Importantly, the tail of the construction ring spanner always includes a safety latch that securely attaches to the Tommy bar, ensuring stability and safety during use. This design consideration is vital for professionals who need reliable tools that can handle the rigors of intense physical tasks.